Hello everybody, today in this video we're going to be unboxing 100 of each of these chests in Build-A-Boat, so let's do it. So you have common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary. So the first one for 100 is 500 gold. Let's buy it. So this is what we get. You got, well, it's showing you guys, but seats, window, whatever all of this stuff is, that's it, I guess. But now we're gonna be doing 100 of the gold, which is going to be 1,500. So let's buy it. See what we get. Gold. So hundreds now. We're getting hundreds of stuff. Yeah. Anvils. We got 9 anvils. We're getting a lot more. And we got 2 of the yellow chests, uncommon chests. So, torches, seats, anvils, doors, trapdoors. Okay, now let's do the rare. Let's do the rare, guys. So, the 100 of the rare is going to be 4,500. So let's do it. For the red one, we are getting 300 now of stuff. 30 seats, those anvils, torches, yeah, cannons, nice, glue and levers, and balloons. Okay, that's nice. We didn't get any chests for this one either, so let's try the epic now. We just passed halfway, so 100 of this will be 13,500. So let's do it. 13,500 for the epic. 1,000 of stuff, guys. So that's nice. Ooh, some royal things. Owner doors, glue, rockets. And we got a epic chest. Nice. And 20 cannons with a red button. With 17 red buttons. And some glue. Owner doors, and what is that? Royal seats, and 1,000 gold and 1,000 metal and stuff. So now we're gonna be doing this one. I think this one is 40,000. Yep, 40,500. So legendary chest, guys. This is a lot of gold. This is almost all of my gold. So hit that like button, guys, before I do this, and subscribe and share this with someone. Here we go. 40,500 gold, 100 chests. Let's see what we get. Okay, we're opening up the legendary chest. 4,000. Wow. 200 royal seats, harpoons, glue, cannons, and we got the most chests we got was the legendary chest with 3 legendary chests. That's a lot. That's pretty rare, I think. If we look inside, that's a 0.1%, so 110, so it's basically 1% chance of getting it, and we got 3 of them. So now so we should have gotten some down here, but we didn't get any. Let's try the blue, not the blue one, the green one some more, because I don't think we got any from that. So let's do 1,000. 5,000 gold. Let's go. Boom. Let's see what we get. 300. This is mostly wooden stuff, beginning stuff. 11. Wow. 11 green chests. And did we get any red ones? I don't know. So let's just. We definitely did get we got all of these. I think we didn't get the red. So let's just do the red one more time. See what we get. 400. We get a good amount of materials. Anvils, nice. Torches, glue, seats, cannons, and 2 rare chests. Okay, let me go place down these chests and I'll show you guys what we got. Okay, guys, so I did have some extra chests. So I had one of each, I think, or the green one, maybe more, but so here are all my chests now. We have 12 green ones, 4 legendary, 3, I think that's uncommon, 3 rare, and 2 blue, or 2 epic. So those are all my chests, and you saw how many materials I got. Let's check how many. I have 8,000 of these blocks now, guys. That's insane.